Hello guys, in this video, I will solve your doubts on the question that is, can you fast forward through commercials on YouTube? So, if you're wondering if you can skip commercials on YouTube TV, the answer depends on how you're watching and whether the content is live, recorded or on demand. So, I will give you a breakdown of how you can fast forward through the ads on YouTube TV. So, first of all, we are going to talk about fast forwarding on DVR recordings. YouTube TV's Cloud DVR allows you to record shows, movies, and live events. When watching a recorded program, you can fast forward through commercials without any restriction. So, you can use the fast forward button on your remote or a screen, and you can skip ahead until the ads are over, similar to traditional DVR systems. Now, we are going to talk about watching on-demand content. So, for shows or movies marked as on demand, ads are typically included and cannot be skipped. These ads are part of the streaming rights agreement and are logged. So you'd be wondering what to do in this case. So if available, record the shows using DVR feature instead of watching the on-demand version, and you can skip ads on the recording whenever you want. Now we are going to talk about live TV content. So, when watching live broadcasts, you cannot fast forward through the commercials. Live TV streams in real time, similar to cable TVs. So, skipping ads is not an option. If you start watching a live program late and it's being recorded, you can rewind to the beginning and fast forward through commercials up to the live point. Now, we are going to talk about using DVR to your advantage. Always add shows and events to your library to ensure they are recorded. Watch the recorded versions where fast forwarding commercials is easily possible. With YouTube TV, you can fast forward through commercials on recorded DVR content, but not on live or on-demand shows. So, you can use the DVR feature to your advantage and you will enjoy ad-free viewing at your convenience. So, that was the simple answer to your question. Hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.